Hello, Judah and Anaya, and for anyone else who isn't my niece and nephew, you're free to follow along. Today we're going to do 2 new vocabulary words. One of them is not so new because if you guys have been doing your homework, then you've been studying the Greek and Latin numbers 1 through 10 and other ones. So we're going to do a polygon, which is translated from Greek, which means many angles, multi-angles. Or sides. So we're going to do a pentagon. That's one of our vocabulary words. And then the other one is enneasyllabic. And that's a mouthful. So let's start with pentagon. So penta is Greek for 5. And the shape of a house is a pentagon. Pentagons don't have to be house-shaped, but that's one example. So the way my kids learned that was penthouse, which just reminded us of house, penthouse, penta, house has 5 sides. If that works for you, you can do that. So penthouse, house, a house has 5 sides. Okay, so penta is Greek for 5. Now, I want you guys to look for something that you see that is a pentagon or something that has 5 angles or 5 sides. Next, we're going to go on to, because if you guys have been doing your homework, then you already know that one, pentagon. So next one is enneasyllabic. So ennea is, and that's spelled E-N-N-E-A. That's Greek for 9. So, and then syllabic, it means, well, we know what syllables mean, right? So if, let's say 17, we clap our hands. 17 has 3 syllables. So something that is enneasyllabic means something that has ennea, Greek for 9, syllables. Okay, so most of the vocabulary words are going to be words that I want you guys to use and be able to use in like practical language. Some of them are just going to be for you guys' knowledge, where we're probably not going to use the word too much, but we definitely will know what it means. Okay, so if you see any type of word, I don't know, it's possible, but that has ennea in the middle, in the beginning of it, you'll know that that has something to do with 9. Okay, so enneasyllabic means it has 9 syllables, something with 9 syllables. Off the top of my head, I really can't think of an English word that has 9 syllables, but that's extra credit if you guys can tell me one. Okay, so ennea, E-N-N-E-A, that's Greek for 9. Okay, that's also one that you guys have should have done in your homework. If not, you're getting some practice right now. So I want you guys to write down ennea equals 9, and then you're going to write the whole word enneasyllabic. I wrote it down on your guys' stuff, and so you'll see that. See, and so yeah, we have pentagon in Latina, and then we have enneasyllabic. Okay. I think that's everything for today. I love you, Judah and Anaya.